What's up guys, Jay here, and today we're going to have a quick look at the new Tecknet laptop cooling fans. So getting into the unboxing here, we have a brown box, no pictures teasing it, but inside the box we have some foam over the cooling fans, and underneath that the fans wrapped in plastic. So here remove all the packaging, and there's a quick start guide as well as a USB to USB power cable. Now testing this on my 13-inch MacBook Pro, it seems to be running about the same temperature, but those high performance apps are killing that i5. It needs a cooling system. I mean, Apple do have fans inside of it, but they don't cool down as much as external fans, especially when they're trying to increase the battery life. Now there are a few options here to set it on auto and manual, some controls at the bottom, and there are two USB ports. One is for power and one for input outputs, as well as USB devices that can be connected. So for this demonstration I'm going to be using Roblox. I'm only using it because it doesn't use that much power when you took the options properly, but because I have a good laptop, it runs perfectly fine. As you can see here, my McLaren looks very smooth and not laggy at all, but yeah. The laptop performs at about 60 degrees right now, and I'm going to start drifting to see what kind of quality we can get, and speeding as well. These fans make a huge difference to when I'm just using my normal laptop fans, especially when my laptop is closed, because I like to use my monitor sometimes. But I mean, usually it perform at about 80 degrees, maybe 70, but 60 is a huge accomplishment. Here we're getting up to 65 now, so between 65 and 70, that's a lot of cooling down. And I just crashed. Overall, I think these fans are pretty good, only £20 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description so you can buy them. But in conclusion, what I really like about these fans is they're super quiet, even at full power, and they are the same size as the laptop. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.